Hello and welcome to another edition of ProtoMet Tries, and in today's video I'm trying another wrap snacks. This time it is based on Master P, and it is Bar-B-Quin with my honey cheese puffs. Cheese puffs is like right there on the bottom. It's kind of down there in a way that you can't really see it. So initially I guess I thought these were chips, but no, they're cheese puffs. Cheese puffs could have been a bit higher. This is another one of the Icon series, similar to the Notorious B.I.G. ones that I tried a while back. Let's give these a shot. I'm not getting much of a scent. Weird. Anyway, here's what one looks like. Let's see how they taste. Like honey barbecue on a cheese puff. Not bad. I'd say that the honey barbecue taste does go well with the cheese puff. I'd have these again. I will admit I was a bit hesitant because it's a barbecue flavor, but it goes pretty well. Yeah, give this a shot. These are totally worth picking up. Kind of a short video, so until next time, I'm ProtoMet. See ya.